Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the next session. As in the previous video, the audio part was not audible, hence it has been being updated. Chapter number 8, Introduction to Impress. We had done this chapter previously. This is just a revision part of it. Before starting with the chapter, we would like to discuss what we mean by presentation. A presentation is a method of displaying the information with the help of pictures, map, chart, audios, and video and text. These different items or uh, these different entities are being added into a presentation to make it more attractive, more understandable for the audience. You have been attended so many presentation in your school itself which shows the information in a form of graphical representation. Now those presentation contained information along with the audio and the visual part which made it more attractive and interesting to learn. So in this chapter we are going to study about a presentation making software in Ubuntu Linux operating system. The name of this presentation software is LibreOffice Impress, which is also known as Impress. Now, as in our book consists of different pages, and on each page the information or the content is mentioned. Similarly, the presentation consists of different pages and each single page is known as slides. Now, when these slides are run in a particular order, one by one, the presentation is known as slide show. In slideshow, all the created slides, all the modified slides are appeared on your screen one after another in a particular sequence, and this complete show is known as your slide show. The first topic, how to start LibreOffice Impress. For this, we have to click on the dash icon. On the search bar, we have to mention LibreOffice Impress. The icon will be displayed in front of you. Double click on the icon and the program will be opened in front of you on the computer screen. Once the program is opened, it will be seems to be like this, the opening or the opening window. We are going to discuss here the different components of Impress window. It contains title bar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, slide pane, drawing toolbar, status bar, and sidebar. We would discuss about one after another. Workspace is also here. We would discuss about these components one by one. Title bar, which shows or displays the name of the presentation along with the name of the software. In case if we haven't saved or given name to the presentation, by default it will show untitled 1 as the name of the file. Along with this, it also consists of three buttons, that is the close window, which will close the program, the minimize window, which will minimize the program and will bring it on your uh, taskbar, and maximize window, that is it will again restore the computer screen or the program screen to its original size. These three buttons along with the name and the name of the software are mentioned on title bar. Menu bar, it consists of different menus which we have learned in other programs also. Basically they are file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, slideshow, and window and help menu. Standard toolbar, it consists of most frequently used commands. Basically we use new, open, save, print, cut, copy, paste, undo, redo. These are some of the frequently used commands, and hence they are available on the standard toolbar section. After this we have formatting toolbar, which consists of the options which will help to format the content of your the content of the slide. They are font name, you can change the font style. Font size, you can make the size of the you can change the size of the font also. Numbering, bullets, font color, and so on. Slide pane, it is available on the left side of the Impress window, and it contains the small representation of each slide, which is known as thumbnail. The presentation of each slide in a smaller form on the left side in slide pane, such it is known as thumbnail of the slides of the presentation. And what is a thumbnail? Thumbnail is a reduced size image of a larger one. That is the original size, the original slides reduced representation is available on the slide pane, which is known as the thumbnail. Then we have a workspace. The workspace is located at the center of the window. It is the blank space where large images or the slides is displayed. We have four different types of views: normal, outline, notes, handout, and slide sorter. These are the different types of view which helps you to view the complete slides in particular manner. Normal is the normal way of seeing the slide. This is the normal view. Other than outline, notes, and handout and slide sorter, there are the other types of views or other method of viewing the slideshow. The slides. Sidebar. The sidebar is displayed on the right side of the window, and it has the buttons like properties, master, pages, custom animation, slide transition, gallery, and etc. These are some of the advanced options which are not covered in this chapter, which are not covered in this class. It might be introduced in the higher or in the next class, when you will be able to use these commands or these buttons. For till now, these are related to in the slideshow. While you are creating a slideshow, you are modifying a slideshow, these buttons and these commands are used.